morning lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I am going to be doing my promised video, a unboxing of the few things that I got with the girls while I was in Frankfurt. So I did end up picking up a few items while I was with the girls in the city, and today I'm going to share them with you. So my first stop was actually at Albrecht, and I talk about this place a lot. If you are from Frankfurt, they are at Maidseil, and they also have a store also on the Fressgasse, and they sell like beautiful niche perfumes, and you can get all your niche perfumes there, and I just love shopping there. Their customer service is always excellent. So it comes in a shopping bag like this, and I just think that's so cute, and it has a ribbon, and I picked up my first Diptyque candle. Now my sister is probably going to be shocked. She has gotten me into Diptyque. She is a huge Diptyque fan, and she collects the candles as well, and I'll link my sister's channel below so you can, you know, check her out. She is huge on Diptyque, and this one is a limited edition candle, and it's called Rose Delight, and I will just open it up and show you what it looks like. This one I paid 60 euros for, and it's my first Diptyque candle. I could not be more excited. So I took the plastic off, and here it comes with some kind of information about the candle. Wow, it's like the whole room smells like roses now. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that delightful? I cannot wait to light this up. Ugh, so yummy. Roses, you know I'm big on roses and vanilla fragrances. So this is my first Diptyque candle, and also the sales associate, she was so nice. She gave me a bunch of Diptyque samples as well. She gave me a eau de toilette, and also a eau de parfum, and also a body lotion. So I'm so excited about trying out these items because I've never tried any fragrances from Diptyque before. As I said, this is my first candle, and I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to, you know, explore more items from Diptyque. So the next place that we went to was Versace, and I purchased two items. This is the first one, and if you follow my channel for a very long time, I am a huge Versace fan. I probably own more Versace handbags than probably any other designer, and I purchased something really cute, and it comes in this black bag, and this is the box. The box is really nice. I love Versace boxes. And inside the box it also comes in another box. Authenticity card as well. So let's see what I ended up purchasing. This is what I ended up purchasing. I'll also give you a close-up of it. This is the Versace Medusa earrings, and this is in the small. They come in different sizes, but I wanted the small one because I really don't wear too much of hanging earrings. I really like, you know, studs and things like that. So yeah, they are absolutely stunning, and I will give you a close-up of it. And it's in gold, and it's not really, you know, very flashy and very out there. They're kind of very sophisticated and, you know, small and cute, and I just really love them. The next item comes in this bag, also another Versace bag. Oh, and the receipt comes in this envelope. And you know me, I'm a huge sunglasses fan, and yeah, I had to get a new pair of sunglasses for the upcoming spring summer season. I cannot wait for spring. It has been so cold and snowing a lot. So yeah, I will show you them. Inside they come in a glasses case like this, and this is what they look like. Aren't they absolutely stunning? Look at that. Oh, so pretty. And this is the back. And I also think this is going to go really well with my Versace signature bag. Oh my god. So this is what they look like on. They are absolutely stunning. I love them. And they also come in the white as well, but I thought that the black was just stellar. So last but certainly not least is from Bvlgari. Yay! I love Bvlgari. If you are a older subscriber, you know my love for Bvlgari goes very deep. So the item that I purchased come in this box, and it's so beautifully packed. I hardly want to open it because it's so cute. So let's open it together. I'll just slide the ribbon off. So ribbon off. This is the box. It also comes with some care instructions as well. And let's see what I ended up purchasing. I ended up getting a Shelly. It's like a bandeau. It's called a Shelly, and it's 5 by 120 centimeter, and I just love the design. And this one is called Star Spangled, and it's absolutely beautiful. The thing I love about the Bvlgari Shelly is that it can be tied around your head as a headband. You can also wear it on a bag, or you can also use it as a belt. And I just think that this is just really cute, and it's the perfect length, and it has the design on a different design on the opposite side, so you can mix and match this as well. And I just love the colors. I just think that they just suit me so well. And yeah, I can't wait to sport this in summer. You guys know I'm a sucker for bandeaus and twillies and headbands and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be sporting this a lot, and especially too as a scarf. So cute. The next item comes in this box, and it's just so cute. I just love the packaging. So ribbon off. And let's see what's inside the box. Also comes with a care card. These are 100% silk, by the way, so you can only dry clean them. And I decided to get the Star Spangled in black and white with the red. And I don't know which one is your favorite so far. but I am loving this color combination. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I ended up buying 2 of them, and this is the opposite side, so you can wear it on both sides, which I think is really good. And the length, I just absolutely am in love with, because it gives me the opportunity to do so much more than just wear it on my bag, you know. And yeah, it's going to be a stunning scarf as well, or as a bracelet. You can, you know, tie it around, and it's just really cute. And you can do different knotting techniques as well, and it just looks awesome as a bracelet as well. So yeah, I think that's all. Or no, that's not all that I picked up yesterday. I did end up picking up another pair of UGG boots. Let me get them for you. So yes, lovelies, I did ended up getting a pair of UGG boots, and they come in this box, and these ones are the Mini Bailey Bow 2. And yeah, it has been so cold here that these have become like my favorite thing. So I decided to get the Mini Bailey in gray, and I think that this is going to go very well with my new Hermes Evelyn bag as well. And it's just very casual and comfy, and I'm a sucker for these, so don't judge me. And this is the mate. Let me just get the paper off. So this is the back with the mate from the side and from the front as well. So I'm really excited about my new UGG boots. So yeah, that's it for my little shopping trip yesterday in Frankfurt, and I'm so happy to be back making videos. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, where I love to post photos and connect with you guys. So stop by and say hello, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, lovelies.